Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. When winter hits hard, having the right snow removal tools can save you time and hassle. In today's video, we're looking at the best snow removal tools, from high-efficiency snow blowers to ergonomic shovels and ice scrapers that make clearing paths a breeze. These picks are perfect for keeping your driveway, walkways, and steps safe and snow-free. All the product links are in the description below. So let's get started and gear up for winter the smart way.
Number 5. Greenworks 2x24 volts cordless lawnmower. The Greenworks 2x24 volts 48 volts cordless lawnmower is a versatile, environmentally friendly solution for medium-sized lawns. Boasting a 36 cm cutting width, this mower combines the power of two 24-volt batteries, sold separately, to provide the performance of a petrol-powered mower without the noise, emissions, or maintenance issues. It's an excellent choice for homeowners looking for a greener, more efficient way to maintain their lawns. Battery-powered. This model operates on two 24-volt batteries, providing a total of 48 volts power. However, batteries and chargers are sold separately, allowing you to customize your power needs based on the size of your lawn. 36 cm cutting width. 36 cm wide cutting deck makes quick work of lawns up to 420 mm grass, perfect for medium-sized property. 5 adjustable cutting heights. With a single lever, you can adjust the cutting height from 20 mm to 70 mm. This flexibility ensures a clean, even cut, regardless of the grass length or terrain. 2-in-1 mulching and collection. This mower can either collect grass clippings in its 40 grass bag or mulch them to naturally fertilize your lawn. Lightweight and easy to store, weighing only 15 kilograms, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver over various terrains. Foldable handlebar also makes it convenient to store in small spaces. The Greenworks 2x24 volt, 48 volts cordless lawnmower performs exceptionally well for medium lawns, offering a smooth and efficient cut. Its 18 cm rear wheels provide excellent mobility, making it easy to navigate over uneven ground. The mulching option is a standout feature, offering an eco-friendly way to enrich your lawn with nutrients. The mower's adjustable cutting heights ensure a perfect trim, no matter the grass condition. The 40 collection bag is a decent size, reducing the need for frequent emptying. Number 4. Bosch Lawnmower Advanced Rotax 750. The Bosch Advanced Rotax 750 is a powerful, corded electric lawnmower designed for medium to large lawns, providing an impressive cutting width of 44 centimeters and suitable for lawns up to 650 squatters. Equipped with advanced features like Pro Silence technology and an adjustable height system, this mower ensures a quiet and efficient mowing experience. 1700 watt of power. This model is powered by a robust 1700-watt motor, delivering strong and reliable cutting performance. Its corded nature ensures continuous power without worrying about battery life. .44 centimeters cutting width. The 44 centimeter cutting width makes it ideal for tackling larger lawns efficiently, reducing the number of passes required to cover the ground. Pro Silence technology. Bosch's innovative Pro Silence technology reduces noise by up to 75%, offering a quieter mowing experience compared to traditional lawnmowers. 7 adjustable cutting heights. With a single button click, you can choose from 7 different cutting heights, ranging from 25 mm to 80 mm, allowing for versatility in grass length. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER EasyMow 300R Electric Rotary Lawnmower. BLACK+DECKER EasyMow 300R is an efficient and user-friendly electric lawnmower, ideal for smaller lawns. With its compact 30 cm cutting width, lightweight design, and convenient features such as close edge cutting and a rear roller, this mower delivers great performance for easy lawn maintenance. 1000 watts motor. The mower is equipped with a powerful 1000-watt motor, providing sufficient power to handle small to medium-sized lawns with ease. 30 centimeters cutting width. 30 centimeters cutting width is perfect for smaller lawns, offering precision and efficiency, especially in tighter spaces or around obstacles. Adjustable cutting heights. You can manually adjust the cutting height between 20 mm and 60 mm, allowing flexibility in achieving your desired lawn finish. 30-liter grass collection box. The large 30-liter grass collection box reduces the need for frequent emptying, allowing for uninterrupted mowing sessions. Rear roller for stripes. The rear roller adds a traditional striped finish to your lawn. Number 2. Hyundai 196cc Electric Start Self-Propelled Petrol Roller Lawnmower. The Hyundai 196cc Electric Start Self-Propelled Petrol Roller Lawnmower is a powerful and versatile option for large lawns, designed to deliver a professional striped finish. With its self-propelled feature, wide cutting width, and 196cc petrol engine, this mower is built to tackle demanding garden tasks with ease. 53 cm cutting width, ideal for large lawns. The wide cutting deck covers more ground in fewer passes, saving time and effort. 196cc 4-stroke petrol engine. Hyundai's 196cc engine is designed for efficient fuel consumption and reliable power. It offers easy starting, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Electric start with recoil backup. The electric start feature allows you to power up the mower with just the push of a button, while the recoil backup provides an alternative option. Self-propelled drive. The self-propelled feature eliminates the need to push the mower. You simply steer while the mower moves on its own, making it much easier to mow larger areas. Split rear roller. This mower is equipped with a split rear roller to give your lawn a traditional striped finish, ideal for those looking for a professional appearance. 5 adjustable cutting heights. Number 1. Stihl RME 235 Electric Lawnmower. The Stihl RME 235 is a compact, lightweight electric lawnmower designed for small to medium-sized gardens. Weighing only 13 kilograms and powered by a 1.2 kW motor, this mower offers easy maneuverability and effective cutting performance, making it ideal for urban or suburban lawns. 1.2 kilowatt power output. The Stihl RME 235 is equipped with a 1.2 kilowatt motor, providing ample power for maintaining small lawns. 33 centimeters cutting width. Its 33 centimeters cutting width allows for precise and efficient trimming, especially in tight or hard-to-reach areas. 30-liter grass collection box. The mower comes with a 30-liter grass collection box, which includes a level indicator to let you know when it's full, reducing the need for frequent stops during mowing. Lightweight design. At just 13 kilograms, this mower is exceptionally easy to handle and transport, making it a great option for users who prefer lightweight garden tools. Corded electric power source. As a corded electric model, it offers consistent power without the need for charging or refueling. The Stihl RME 235 performs well for smaller lawns, providing a clean and even cut. Its 33 centimeters cutting width may be narrower than some other mowers, but this size makes it perfect for navigating tight spaces